The song Graves into Gardens by Elevation from their album Graves into Gardens is a lot of fun to play. It kind of has more of a country feel to it, country gospel sort of a deal. The acoustic guitar is going to be capoed on the 4th fret. The electric guitar is going to be using a slide. If you have a knuckle slide, that's best because it'll allow you to kind of hit all the main parts. However, I do give you some alternate options, especially in the chorus section, if you have a longer slide and you really just need to keep that on, because you can pretty much get everything else in, but there's a bend there that's pretty tricky if you have a full slide on. So I kind of teach you how to do that as well. So you have both options. Real fun song to play, so go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. After our rhythm, we really come in on this next chorus with a nice big riff. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of a cool little part there. And I'm going to teach you 2 ways to do this. We're going to learn to do it both with the bend, like the one guitar in the song is doing, or we're also going to learn to do it with a slide, which I think is actually a little bit easier. But they have 2 guitars doing the different parts, and so the slide is covering one section, and the other guitar is doing the big bend. So I'm going to teach you the slide way as well, in case it's, the knuckle slide's getting in the way here. But essentially, we're sliding from our 4th fret of our A up to our 6th fret, and then our pointer finger takes over at the 6th fret of the G, and does a full bend. So we're... Now, if you didn't have a slide on, I'd probably be sliding with my ring finger and then using those fingers to do it. However, I feel like with the slide there, it's really nice to be able to use that pointer finger to do it. It's a bit of a stretch. You need some finger strength to do it, but it works. So we're going to do that a couple times. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this time we're going to slide from our 4th all the way to our 9th, still with the same rhythm. So 4 to 9, and then the 9th of the D. And then we come down doing a slide riff. We're going to slide into the 8th fret of the G, down to the 4th fret of the G, down to your 2nd fret of your D, and then slide up to the 4th of the D. So once again. And then we just do those same riffs again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just drop down into that B chord. So that is the way they do it on the record. And I'm actually even there, I'm combining 2 parts because I'm bringing in that slide. Now, if you are the slide player, one thing that works really nicely is you can slide from your 4th fret of your A to your 6th, and then you can pluck you're right there, so you can pluck the 6th fret of your G, and then just do your slow slide on the G. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then even when you do your slide up here, it kind of gives you that E chord, which we're going to talk about a little bit in the next section. So instead of just going, you could actually fill those out. Just a different way you could approach that. So what I gave you is a loop of both of those parts. So you can try it each way, see which way works. And then once you've got that, let's go ahead and take a look at that bridge. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 6.